Hi guys, we've got a visitor today. It's Nathan from NB Restorations. He's come to buy some sliding doors off me for a product he's building. There we go. Here he is, the man himself.
Right, was doing a restoration on a van a couple of years ago, and it had already had skins halfway up repairs, and the skins that were on it was just wrecked from horrendous agricultural welding job. So the only option was to go up to the next level, so I decided to bring the skin right up to the swage line, but that involved getting into the handle area. So I worked out how to do the tooling for the handle area, which was very difficult to do because of a lot of wrinkling problems. But I've managed to do it. I did it on the late ones first, and now I've just done the early one panel.
What, these some of your prototypes, these ones, are they?
Yeah, these are two prototypes. This one was made yesterday. And I've just dropped off two prototypes up to just campers for their approval before they get their first batch. So these will be available on the market very soon.
So it's a JK exclusive, these are then?
Yes, they're exclusively available through JK. So
Lovely. It's about time someone did it, isn't it?
it is.
All those years.
I'm just buying these two doors off Simon so that I can reskin them, and then they'll be available as complete finished doors.
So you're going to offer a door service as well, so you can get the customers' doors done.
Yeah, Recondition Doors.
Or you'll do a door ready that's already ready. They can do exchange or something like that.
Yeah, that's the idea. Perfectly.
And have you got any other ideas for any other products?
Got so many panels to make. There's so many panels that people just don't make though, where they're rusting, and we really do need them. So window apertures will come very soon, and rear quarter panels.
Yeah, because I remember you were talking to me about like on this one here, making these complete sides, because no one does a panel for these complete sides on the later and the earlier with the filler cap and the stuff like that up to the swage, rather than those horrible panels that you get nowadays that come up.
The only option is to just fill the van, because
yeah,
by the time you weld it across there, yeah. So I've already prototyped one and fitted it to a van, but I need to improve the tooling to actually make a production line of them. So that will be coming because it needs to be done.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I've fed up of fitting the low quality, cheap quality, lower panels that, as you can see, it's not quite right here. It's all right. It's just not right. It's not perfect. It's not, and the quality of the steel is thin. It's like, as you can see with Nathan's, he's made it out of the correct grade steel. It's coated so it won't rust.
These are zinc tech coated, yeah. So
yeah.
Paint will stick to it, but it's yeah, it's got a coating on there, so it's not just going to rust like a bare metal panel.
Nathan in the future will be having doing some YouTube videos, and he'll have a web shop coming up. So just keep your eyes peeled for NB Restorations.
That's
and or on JK as well. Obviously he's selling it exclusive through JK, so you can keep an eye on their website as well. But he will be introducing stuff on Facebook, Instagram, places like that really, for different panels. And if anything comes out, and obviously I'll let you know through our website as well.
I was considering doing a video on how I actually reskin a door, so people, when they buy one of my door skins, they can see how I fit the skin and decide whether they want to do it the same way as I do.
Yeah, or if you're not competent enough, like we said, Nathan can fit the skin. If you want to, he can fit the skin for you or do the door for you. It's entirely up to you, because you've got varying. People got varied skills. Some people are really competent at it, and some people are not, sadly. Yeah. But yeah, keep an eye out. And obviously these doors here, zoom out a bit. These doors here, Nathan's going to buy. That's a left-hand drive early bay, and the other one's a right-hand drive early bay. Nathan's going to take the skin off this one. This one's quite solid, but he's going to take the skin off, maybe make a lower bottom, repair, because no one does the lower bottom. Yeah?
Nice.
Well, they do.
Lower
They do.
bottom.
There is a lower bottom, but it's okay. It's just not as, the pressings aren't as nice as
Looks
this.
a bit like it came out of a jelly mould.
Yeah,
rather
it
than-
does. It's okay for now, but it's about time someone like Nathan come along and did it right, really.
The current panel, I think, comes up to around here, whereas wouldn't it be a lot nicer if you came to here? Because then
Yeah.
you're just welding across through there and not the entire. Also, a lot of the time it's even rotten higher now, isn't it? Than
Yeah.
the actual.
And it's not. I always think with a panel fit myself, it's nice to have more than you need, so you can trim it down to where you're happy with.
Totally.
Yeah, rather than, yeah, normally it's like here and it's like said all horrible and crusty. It also had repairs already. I mean, this door's pretty
I don't
good.
think they come with the captive nuts in them either.
No,
do
they don't. No,
To
it
come with
looks
that
like it's
would
been
be good.
pushed out by someone's boot or something.
It's not great.
It's okay, but yeah, with all the the skilled people around nowadays, obviously this one's had one of those panels. You can see, it's all like crinkly there. Like, see, it's all crinkly where it's been. Yeah, it's okay. It's just we needed someone like Nathan a long time ago to come along and do things properly. Hopefully, yeah. But yeah, I keep an eye out for Nathan's products and stuff like that, and keep an eye on JK's site and anything new progress. Maybe do another video and show some more stuff, or Nathan can post another video and do some of the stuff. Yeah, maybe post a video of your workshop and you actually doing it and stuff. 'Cause people like to see those.
It's not easy to fit it all in around.
No,
work,
no,
but
no.
I try.
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot.
Okay.